Hey beautiful people, Raja is again over here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can build high converting and design the thumbnail within the few clicks. Write a prompt and it's going to design amazing thumbnail. So let me show you. If I click on over here, the one I asked to design a Kajabi website thumbnail, 700 projects done, and I asked to add an image and then everything like this. And if I click over here, see how it looks like. And if I scroll down, I ask to uh, generate a thumbnail for the God of the War game, and this is how it looks like. Amazing. And then this one I design high converting thumbnails, and you can see how this looks very beautiful. So it's totally easy how to do that. For you have to go on the Google search engine, and here you have to write Whisk, WHISKI, and then Google. Okay, and on the top you're going to see this website, so you just need to click on it, right? And then it's going to ask you to log in. I am already logged in, so it will ask you to click on enter to the tool, and you can see it can do anything. It generate high converting cinematic like thumbnails. So what you have to do, just click on enter tool, and then now here you have to describe your idea, whatever the thumbnail you want. So for that you can use chat gpt, right? So suppose if I'm going to go here on the chat gpt, and I am going to ask chat gpt, write a prompt. You can ask whatever you want, like says write a prompt for designing a thumbnail. And yeah, the thumbnail can be about like write a prompt for designing a thumbnail, and thumbnail should be about I build, I design high converting thumbnails, right? Something like that. Okay, and then you say, and style you can copy from Mr. Beast thumbnails, and you can use any reference, like you can give it the ChatGPT, or you can give an example, the image one, the one you like the thumbnail, and it's going to write from the prompt. So I give you it for just an example, so I'm going to click on it, and now it's going to write a complete prompt for me. And simply I will copy this, and now I'm going to go on Whisk, and I'm going to pass this prompt over here, and now you're going to see the magic. Here we go. Can you see? This is how it looks. Very amazing. I design high converting thumbnails, and this is totally amazing result, by the way. So you don't need to write like you don't need to have to design anything. Just write a prompt and it's going to build for you like this high converting uh, thumbnail. So it's totally easy and it's totally free, and as much as you want you can generate the thumbnails. So yeah, I like it. I like the result the way it's did. It gave the Mr. Beast, but we can just delete it on the top. Use the text wherever you want. But this one, I really like it. So suppose if I'm going to say, write another prompt for the game The Last of Us 2. So let's see how it's going to write the thumbnail for the last of the game. So we're going to copy this prompt, right? You can write in whatever the language you want to communicate with ChatGPT. You can do that, and it's going to write for your prompt. Then what you have to do, copy that and go to the Whisk over here, and then what you have to do, delete the existing prompt and write your another one. Click on here, and now it's going to generate for you a prompt. For some reason it says they might violate our privacy, so we're going to say maybe maybe something like this over here. Let's see. So now hope it's going to work. Let's see if it is. So it is generating one thumbnail. For some reason, yeah, because of the privacy policies issues, it is not generating. So we say write a prompt for YouTube write a prompt for YouTube thumbnail where shark is inside water and human try to swim out, something like that. And now let's see. Okay, now I'm going to copy this one, and I'm going to go over here, and let's see what if I'm going to add this prompt over here, and let's see how it is going to generate the thumbnail. Here we go. This is totally amazing. Shark attacks escape, right? And yeah, and I gave the ChatGPT very short prompt. Write a prompt for YouTube where shark is inside water and human try to swim out. And then ChatGPT wrote a complete prompt for me, and then I gave to the Whisk, and now you can see the result. It's totally amazing. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this is going to be very useful for you. And if you are totally new on my YouTube channel, I will ask you, do not forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.